So we're gonna do Brussels sprouts, but I like to keep the ends on so that when you boil them and saute them, they don't fall apart. So we're just gonna cut some of these bigger ones in half like that, and we're gonna keep the smaller ones whole, and these bigger ones we're just gonna cut in half, bite into. So we're gonna do small bite-sized pieces like that. Here, same thing. And this should be a little bit, this is more than enough for 2 people. We're gonna take these over. And you always want to make sure the water is really boiling rapidly. We're gonna add some salt to the water to kind of bring out some of the flavors, just like you would with pasta. It helps the water stay boiling and hot, as well as brings out some of the flavor in whatever you're cooking. So we're gonna set that in there. All right, so these are all al dente. We're gonna add all those Brussels sprouts to here. All right, not too cooked, not too overcooked, or anything like that. Perfect. Duck. French delicacy. And then we're gonna open that up here. So we're gonna take this off here. Make some nice incisions here. Rest plate right here. We're gonna cut right along. What I did was I'm slicing down one side of the breastplate. All right, so we're gonna switch up the knife because the paring knife wasn't really working too good, and this is already a lot better. Yeah, so there's a bone here. Clean this up a little bit more, but last but not least, we're going to take the legs too. Clean this up here. Like that. There's tendons right here that we're gonna cut through. You want to come as far down as possible. That's not too bad. Same thing, we're gonna peel back that thin layer of membrane. what we'll be eating tomorrow. We're gonna add some black pepper. I love good pepper. Yeah, this is gonna be good. We're gonna freeze these we're gonna freeze these tonight, pop them out in the morning, and then by the time we get to the top of the peak where we're going, it should be defrosted. So it's a little trick. So this mustard sauce we're gonna make ahead of time so that we just can bring it up on the side and add it when the duck is all done. So we're gonna use a whole grain mustard, just a simple honey, and this recipe also calls for a Dijon mustard, but we're gonna use a spicy brown mustard. So we're gonna start off with a 1/4 cup of that spicy brown mustard. Add it to the bowl. We're gonna do a tablespoon of the whole grain mustard. Tablespoon of honey. Like a large pinch of pepper and salt. And mix this all up here. That's it. We're gonna just portion this out and bring it up tomorrow.